Where are we left?
Chelan. Heard different things. But yeah, we're in Chelan, Washington.
How to feed the hungry man. Got a Cubano sandwich, a couple different sausages, and look at this, baby. Woohoo! Oh boy. I think this is an A++ rating in our book, huh, babe? This is Stormy Brewing in Chelan, Washington. Well, we finished up at that brewery, had the best pretzel out of any of the pretzels that we've had. It was so good. And we just came up to a Harvest Host. They make wine and ciders. And so actually he just pulled up and we're about to take our pick.
These are all English and French style, fermented to dryness. There's no carbonation.
Oh, nice.
There's no added flavors or anything. It's just apples. We have our estate rosé. Camper special. It's only $10 for cider, $20 for wine.
Cool. Well, so we got two different ciders because Ken and I have been on a little bit of a cider kick. Neither of them are carbonated. Basically, his story, him and his wife, they went to France about 20 years ago and they fell in love with the lifestyle of the French where you have like a winery and everything sold local. It's not sold at big supermarkets and grocery stores. They loved the slow pace of life there and thought, you know what? I feel like we could do this too. So they came back to Washington, where they're from, quit their corporate jobs, bought this little 4-acre piece of property out here in kind of outside of Manson. We are going to pop open one or both of these ciders and enjoy our beautiful views that we have and hang out with the dogs. Got your 2 bottles of cider? $18. $24.
Both trash.
Try them together. Well, we've been having a little bit of a lazy morning. I didn't get a chance to finish the YouTube video last night because we pretty much lost the capability to use our inverter because of how low our power was. So my laptop died. So since I was going to be late posting it anyways, I figured might as well just relax until we could charge up a little. I think we're going to head into town and maybe get some breakfast, or we'll cook here, not quite sure. But just kind of taking in these views. The smoke is kind of dissipating a little bit from the wildfires, so it's clearing up a bit. And really just enjoying some time together. As you can tell, we took showers this morning. Felt good. I think we were on like day 5 of body wipes and not really caring. And you know, everyone hits this point where you just kind of have to get in the shower, and we had hit that point. So it felt good. We're nice, fresh and clean, and we're gonna enjoy the afternoon. We had to go back to Winthrop because Ken left his sunglasses at the restaurant there, or at the cidery there, so we're gonna go get those. And that's about all we have on our agenda. And then tomorrow, we're gonna have a little bit of a fun day. I don't know if you noticed something here, but Ken B has his sunglasses back. So with that being said, we're on our way back to Chelan, and we're gonna go meet up with Abby. We met Abby in Utah when we first started van life 4 months ago. Kind of connected with her pretty quickly, so we're very excited to get the ropes shown to us. Sorry if this is really bumpy, the road is super bumpy. We are getting into some fun stuff though. We are going on a boat ride tomorrow, and we're going skydiving. And let us give you a little like preface when it comes to Abby. She's a 20-year-old van lifer who realized that the typical life that society has set up for you is not her gig. So when she was 19 years old, she built out her own van and started traveling full time. And in the meantime, she decided that, you know what, I'm gonna go skydiving one day, and then instantly became obsessed with it. And so she decided to get her certification and did it all within 2 weeks. So she is now a certified skydiver, and took zero convincing for us to do it for our first time. So yeah, so we're very excited to spend some time with her this week. We'll be with her for about 5 or 6 days. She's gonna show us her hometown. We're gonna get some food together, and very gracious of her and her parents, they're allowing us to stay at their driveway. So that means that we can have water and a parking spot and a place to call home for the next 5 days. Abby's gonna be right next to us too, so it'll be like we're out in nature, but technically we're gonna be city slicking together, but at her parents' house, which honestly we are so grateful for, and we cannot wait to get there. We're about 40 minutes away and are very excited to connect with her.
Hi guys! It's so good to see you! It's been so long!
Yeah. Oh wow!
Hello friends, hi YouTube!
Hey!
Hi Ken! Hi Tucker!
How you doing, dude?
I'm good! Oh my gosh, welcome!
Abigail, are you ready for our life day?
I'm so ready! I'm so freaking stoked! It's gonna be great!
Does Archie get to come to Lake Day?
It's his first time on a boat.
Oh my goodness!
Oh yeah!
Yes, is it boat life? He said, I'm trading van life for boat life.
Oh yeah, he is.
Wow.
He also does a mini fish.
Ooh, a snack for the morning. It's okay, I don't need it. You can have it. Pack them up, move them out.
Up.
What a good boy.
Good boy. Alright, just
Well,
follow me down there I guess.
See you at breakfast.
Cool, see you at breakfast.
Since college, and then
Archie boy? Oh man. Who's having the best day of their lives?
Oh yeah.
Show me what you got.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my god, hopefully I don't slip. Need to get stable.
No. Oh yeah! That was definitely gold medal worthy.
Good? 10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
It's really warm actually. Come on, Ash.
They had to come with us because it was too hot for them to like be in the van, you know? And Mel just went berserk, and it's like a 30-minute paddle back to the car.
Yeah.
it's crazy
She's just-
how much you can see your feet.
Oh, I thought he was contributing to the story. So she's
Ken's over
there.
in his own world right now.
Dude, you can see the ground. This is like 30 feet down.
It's wild.
It's insane, huh?
Honestly, it's very crazy.
It's so crazy.
She's over there just.
This is in the United States of America.
This is crazy. We didn't even have to go far.
No, just in Abby's backyard.
Chelan, Washington. This is where I grew up.
This is
Pretty
her spot.
You know, it's
This is where Archie grew up.
Local showing us
just local
peek
stuff.
around town.
Oh yeah, you know, just giving you the tour. All right. Ken just handed me this salad, this freaking gourmet salad. We're gonna try it out. So cheers, YouTube. Oh my god. Fuck it up, Ken. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Look at him stuffing it up back there.
His name is Chef Can Be with our friends back in Austin.
I second that. Yeah.
Isn't it so good?
Wow, that's really good. That dressing is like...
La Flame, right? Dude, all three of them are just passed out.
I got you. 10 out of 10 recommend if you ever meet Ken. Ask him to make you this salad. It's really good.
Alright, go get it.
Alright, Melly.
Melly, come here.
Stay, Mel.
Here, pull her back here. You have to hold it.
I hear the hum begin to grow. It's telling me get up and go. Get out, get up and get out, get up and
Good job, guys! Woo! Go get her, Melly! Fucking so good!
Oh, good shit.
Water in my ears.
Alright guys, so what's the verdict here?
Cool. 10 out of 10 clip. Yeah.
Good.
Fucking Senate.
That was fun.
That was fun.
That was sick, y'all. Good job.
it's telling me get up and get out, get up and I'm coming up. Get out, get up and
Alright guys, so I gotta say we've had a freaking awesome day with Abby and her pup.
Abby and Archie.
Yeah. Ken and Abby did some cliff jumping. I manned the boat and tried to keep the dogs under control. That was a job in itself, okay? I don't want judgment for not jumping off the cliff. You'll see what I'm doing in a couple days from now, and then you'll be like, okay, Molly, I see you. See that behind us? Yeah, that's not a cloud. Today was supposed to be sunny all day, and it's not. Abby had a photo shoot to do for some senior pictures for a high schooler. She's a photographer, by the way, if you didn't know that. We dropped her off probably about an hour and a half ago, and Ken's just getting some tanning in. I've been just kind of hanging out with the pups. But I think we're gonna burn some fuel, because if we don't do it, someone else will, and we paid for this fuel. And try to avoid this rain and get back in before the torrential downpour ensues.
get out, get up and
Well, we made it back to the docks literally just in time. Like not a second to spare.
Good timing as always.
Yeah, we pulled up. There was obviously a line of boats that all waited until the last minute to come in. We slid in, paid for our gas, and then we got to the van, and now it's doing like a light rain. So yeah, definitely in the nick of time. Whose dog is that? Should we help it?
Yeah, we need to help it.
People like that, I swear. This is not a place where you just like let your dog roam. We were literally on a main drag and was trying to rescue this dog. And right as I say, come here puppy, it turned around and I heard blah, 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 come. And I looked around and I saw the guy right next to where we parked. I was like, oh, sorry, I was just trying to like rescue your dog and help you out. And he goes, oh, he's fine. He does this all the time. Okay. And then maybe 10 seconds later, I turned back around to look at the dog. The dog was maybe 50 feet from the intersection. And I was like, he's still running the opposite direction towards the stop sign. He goes, oh, that's fine. He'll just go around the block. You're for real just gonna let your dog, number one, roam the streets, but number two, be in the middle of a busy intersection? All right, cool. Not my dog, not my problem, I guess. I tried. But had a great day boating. Abby and her parents very graciously opened up their house to us for showering, movie nights, cooking dinner. So very sweet of them. We're probably gonna just have a very chill, relaxed night. Maybe watch some Westworld. We're catching up on season 3. A little late.
Xbox.
Yeah, he's gonna play some Xbox. He binged last night, didn't come back to bed until like 3 a.m. because he had Wi-Fi for like the second time since we've been traveling that can support.
Hey, Wi-Fi. Hey, good Wi-Fi.
A live connection.
A couple times in 4 months.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
hey,
a good ratio.
I'm not complaining because prior to us traveling, it's getting a little out of hand.
I was playing video games for a year. Don't say like
a year every day for hours.
But how long have we been dating for?
Ooh, it doesn't
a while,
matter.
A while. So I wasn't.
It's
playing
been a
video
nice
games
break.
for a while. This is the best Mexican food we can find in Chelan. Yeah. What do we got?
Well, the quesadilla looks bomb.
Always getting a spread.
Oh yeah.